Why is it that you can start a bad habit in a single afternoon, but building a good one feels like climbing Mount Everest in flip-flops? It's not because you're lazy. It's because your brain is literally trying to save energy. Every habit you have, from brushing your teeth to checking TikTok, follows a 4-step loop. It starts with a cue, a trigger that tells your brain to go into autopilot. Then comes the craving. This isn't the habit itself, but the change in state you want. You don't want the coffee. You want the alertness. Then you perform the response, the actual habit. And finally, the reward. This is where the magic happens. Your brain releases dopamine, telling your basal ganglia, hey, that felt good. Remember this for next time. Think of your habits like paths in a forest. A new habit is a tiny, overgrown trail. It's hard to walk, but a bad habit you've had for years? That's a 6-lane highway. This is called long-term potentiation. The more you repeat a behavior, the stronger the connection between those neurons becomes. Your brain literally physically changes to make the habit easier to perform. You can't just delete a neural pathway. That highway is always there. The secret isn't to stop the habit, but to replace the response. Keep the same cue and the same reward, but change the action in the middle. If you eat when you're stressed, find a different way to lower that stress. Your brain doesn't care how it gets the dopamine, just that it gets it. The biggest mistake people make? They focus on the outcome instead of the identity. Don't try to run a marathon. Just be the person who never misses a workout. Start with 5 minutes. If you can master the art of showing up, the habit builds itself. You are the sum of your habits. Understand the loop. Respect the biology, and you can quite literally become whoever you want to be. What's one habit you're trying to build this year? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit subscribe. It's a great habit to start.